Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ahsan Riaz and welcome to my YouTube channel AI Techniques. Today is our lecture 10 of our Python programming course, and in this video I will teach you loops in Python. A loop is a programming structure that repeats a sequence of instructions until a specific condition is met. What is benefit of using loops? Loops make code more manageable and organized. We do not need to type again and again same code. Loops make our program small code. How many types of loops? In Python there are two types of loops. First one is for loop, when we know how many times we want to repeat, and second one is while loop, in which repeat until condition is true. We do not know how many times while loop will be repeated. In this video I will teach only for loops in detail. Let's start. For loop. A for loop. What is for loop? A for loop is a control flow statement for specifying iteration which allows code to be executed repeatedly. For loops are typically used when numbers of iteration is known before entering the loop. For example, if we want to print our name 10th time, in this case we can use for loop. If we want to print first 20 values from 1 to 20, then we know how many times for loop will be used, how many times iterations. So we will use for loop. What is syntax of for loop in Python? In Python we use for in range loop. This is syntax of for loop. We write for I in range and write counter how many times it will print, and we write all these statements with indentation. For example, if we want to print AI Techniques 10 times, then we will write for I in range 10 and print AI Techniques. This is flowchart for loop. Repeat the code until you reach a last element of the list. For example, this is for each will be used. It will iterate all the items of the list. Then if we reach last item or not, if it is no, then we repeat it again. When we reach last element, if yes, then we stop the exit loop. We use a range function in for loop. What is range function? A range function is in Python is a built-in method which we use to generate a list of numbers which we can iterate on using loops. There are total three different syntax for Python range function. First one is range stop, which take only one argument, and second is range start and stop, which takes two arguments, and third is range start stop step, and which takes three arguments. Syntax range stop. This will, if we use range of 5, then it will return 0 1 2 3 4 5. In range stop loop, any value in the we write here, it will start from 0 and stop when we reach this last element, mean it will contain all the values before this last element 5. So it contains 0 1 2 3 4. And second syntax is we write range start or end. If we do not want to start from 0, or we want to start from any value like 5 1 3 or any value, or end it with any number, then we write range start or end. In this, for example, range 1 of 6 will return 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It will start from 1 and stop when 6 before 6 element when 6 reached. So it will only contain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And third syntax is we use range, start, and an increment. Second and third argument is for example, if we want to print, if we want to get even number of from 2 to 10, then we can write 2 to 11 because we want to get it 10 as well. If I write here 10, then it will ignore only 2 to 8 will be printed. What is this second last argument? It is increment. If you mean there is a gap between every element of 2. For example, 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. Similarly, 8 and 10. Let's practical example of loops. So I will write to program. Write a program to display a techniques 10 times using for loop. And second program is write a program to display value from 1 to 200 using for loop. Let me copy these both program and open my PyCharm. I only copy statement here. First I will show you what is range. If I write 5 and convert it into list using typecasting and print it, then it will print 0 to 4. And you can see 0 to 4 is in the list, which is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. And if I write 1 to 5, then it will return the list from 1 to 4. And last one is if I use range 2 to 11. So first I write 2 to 10 and increment of 2. Let's run this. And you can see 2, 4, 6, 8 is printed. If you want to get 10 as well, then we will write 11. This is now 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 is written by this list of range, this statement. You understand the range function. Now I will write this for loop program. First I will write a program to display AI techniques. We want to display AI techniques. First I will write AI techniques 1 time and run our program. If there will be a 2 method to achieve this goal. For example, I can write 10 times these AI techniques and it is our goal is achieved. But if we repeat our code, then it will be useless and our code is repeated again and again. We can stop this using for loop. Let's only write 1 time and we write here. We will use for in loop or I in range. We want to repeat AI techniques 10 times, then we will write here 10 and print AI techniques. There must be a tab between them. And you can see AI technique is 10 times printed. We can also print values of I. You can see 0 to 9 is printed using following. If I write 1 to 11, then it will print 1 to 10, which is now printed on screen AR technique. Now I will write second program, write a program to display values from 1 to 20. We can use this statement. We want to display 1 to 200. As we know that we have to write 1 plus 1 value. We have to write 201 to display values from 1 to 200 using for loop. Now I will only print value 5, and you can see all values are printed from that is all our today lecture. Hope you guys understand the for loop in Python, and please like and share this video with your friend, and do not forget to subscribe this channel. I will meet you in the next video. Thank you.